Hey everyone, here we are to describe the evolutionary algorithm that I custom made to create a small parts singulator system here. So the whole idea is that we have a detector which parts will come through at different intervals, and we will measure those intervals. So if part 1 comes through and then part 2 comes through later, there's a time interval between those, and we will be detecting that as our system to determine how well parts are singulated. And what we are doing is basically generating random Plinko board shapes here with different amounts of ramps and sides here for the parts to fall through. So when we run our simulation on an early evolution one that was just randomly made with stuff, we can see that this system does not work out that well. And the whole idea here is we're using matter.js is a system where if we put our Plinko board at an angle, we can decompose gravity to its two trigonometric components, and we can use this 2D simulator to actually simulate a 3D Plinko board at an angle just using the sine and cosine decompositions of gravity here. So if we stop this, let's just go through and load a updated one that is a higher quality one. So here we can see that when we run this, we'll have our pieces fall through, and here we are creating a system where we are basically going to have a slow moving shaker here, where we basically loaded up a hopper, and this hopper's vibrations are just slowly allowing the pieces to come through. And as we do, we'll see some basically just nothing too exciting here, just these pieces slowly fall through. And it looks like the first one here had a fun little jam there, which is going to like mess up the flow, but it'll just continue on as it looks like it has an ability to recover from that. Alright, but this is the evolutionary system in action. You can see that the ramps and the pegs were changed in relationship to where everything was, and it has successfully now has a higher interval of time between all of these pieces to get these board pieces out.